Hey guys, come outside. I have something to show you. The jungle gym. The jungle gym is here. You can play on it now.
No.
Yeah, look, it's all together. Ollie, what do you think of the jungle gym?
I like it.
All right, I didn't raise no fools. Obviously, this jungle gym thing is not put together. But when it comes to making a business marketing strategy, so many people think that this is it. Oh yeah, I got a website, and I got an email marketing campaign. Just sent this out just the other day. Well, cool, bro, but that's not a strategy. That's just a bunch of random pipes laying on the ground. I mean, they're still pipes. You can use them, get creative. Obviously, that's not what it was made to do, but it's fun. It's so hot. I picked a really bad time to do this. If you want to build a strong marketing strategy that's going to hold together, hold things up, and do what you want it to do, you need to put things together in the right way. And in order to know how to put something pretty complicated together, you need a blueprint. You need some instructions to guide you.
All right, so what am I talking about? What do these blueprints look like? There's lots of different models that you can explore. There's funnels, there's buyer journeys, there's flywheels, there's whole business model canvases. And all of these are great tools and models that you can use. So here's an example of a very basic funnel. You've seen these before in your kitchen. And basic funnels are divided usually into 3 steps. You have awareness at the top. In the middle, you have consideration. And then at the bottom, you have conversion. Another popular funnel framework divides the funnel into 4 steps. It's the AIDA framework, A-I-D-A, which stands for awareness, interest, desire, and action. And the whole idea of a funnel is you're taking strangers, new people who haven't done business with you before. They're coming in at the top, and at each stage, fewer people are converting down. From strangers, you're filtering out people who are aware of you, and then you want to nurture them down into people who are interested in you. And out of the people who are interested in you are people who actually desire to do business with you.
You have something I want.
And of those people, there's going to be people who actually take action. And then you might see some people add a final secret step down here, another A for advocates or promoters. Horrible at handwriting on this tablet thing. And these people go out into the world, tell people about you, and start bringing more people into your funnel. And you get to start all over again. This isn't just top to bottom, this goes back around like a wheel. So let's talk about a flywheel model. The flywheel model accounts for that promoter action, and each step pushes people into a new phase. Typically, your flywheel phases are attract, engage, and promote. And as you go around the circle, you take strangers into prospects, into customers, into promoters or advocates that, again, go out into the world and bring more people into your business through referrals, through reviews and testimonials. One of my favorite tools is the customer value journey developed by digitalmarketer.com. It kind of takes the flywheel, funnel, and buyer journey models and mashes it together in this really helpful blueprint. I'm actually certified by digitalmarketer.com to teach this tool, and I love using this with my clients because it covers everything. And it helps you understand how your website, your email marketing, your lead generation tools, how they all work together to move people to your core offer, and then how to continue to serve and offer value to your paying customers, how to expand or ascend people up your value ladder with upsells or other value adds, and then think through how you can delight customers and reach out to them to provide testimonials or case studies, and then turn them into promoters, which, like with the flywheel, they start recruiting new customers for you. You can take all your jungle gym pieces and assemble them and understand how they link up. And you can see if there's any weaknesses or if there's a bottleneck. Maybe lots of people are reading your blog, but nobody's signing up for your email list. Or maybe lots of people are hitting your website, but they're not taking any meaningful action. Any of these models can be incredibly helpful just to understand where all of your different tools fit and how they should be working together. Business and marketing is not Field of Dreams. If you build it, people won't just come. If you make an offer, people won't just convert. If you dump a bunch of metal pipes and bolts on your yard, your kids aren't just gonna play. Maybe it's not a perfect analogy, but you get what I'm trying to say. Have a plan and make sure that you understand how all of your marketing tools and tactics fit together.
Why are you upside down?
How's your marketing going? Is there a model or funnel or canvas that you like using that works well for you? Drop a comment below. Or do you need help developing a marketing strategy? Is there a certain tool or step in the sales and marketing process that you're struggling with? Let me know. Reach out to me at selfemploymentsidekick.com. I'd be happy to do anything I can to help you along the way in your self-employment journey. That's what I'm here for.